Hello everyone, I'm Shaunit Sahu and my journey with Billabong High International School Kanpur began back in August 2012 when I joined as an art faculty member. Over the years, I have had the privilege of growing here, first as head of department for arts and now as the head of department co-curricular. At BHIS, the Boomerang programs refers to all the co-curricular and extracurricular activities that help students discover their talent, build confidence, and develop life skills. Today, I'm in charge of a wide range of indoor and outdoor activities that help students build confidence, develop skills, and prepare our students for the future while keeping them active, creative, and fit. At BHIS, students are given countless opportunities to shine from school, state, national to international platform. I'm proud to coordinate and plan major events like the World Scholars Cup, IIMUN, TEDx, Tri Sports Cup, chess tournament, and more that challenge, inspire, and engage our learners. Beyond competition, we regularly host university fair, boot camps, workshop, and summer programs to open doors to global opportunities, career pathways, and essential skill development. As an artist and educator, I take pride in teaching IGCSE Art and Design, where our students have delivered outstanding results. At our school, we believe in nurturing every student's potential, not just in the classroom, but beyond. I'm also a part of the dedicated college guidance and counseling team, where I support our grade 9 to 12 Cambridge students in building strong profile, crafting impactful letter of recommendation, and guiding them through the university application process. It's incredibly rewarding to help our students discover their strength, explore global opportunities, and take confident steps toward their future dreams. What makes Billabong High different from others? Well, as a non-selective school, BHIS has been a pioneer in Kanpur, bringing exceptional opportunities here, from introducing the Cambridge curriculum to launching platforms like IIMUN, World Scholars Cup, TEDx, Youth Literature Fest, live theatre performance, and many more. And it's not just about students. Teachers here also get incredible opportunities. BHIS was the first to host the IC3 event in Kanpur for teachers to across the city. We get regular training on Microsoft tools, CL4, emotional intelligence, and more. Staying updated with the latest technologies, that's why we are proud to be a certified Microsoft school and a great place to work. I want to thank Billabong High International School Kanpur for bringing such positive change, not just for students, but for educators like me. Everything I am today is because of BHIS. I've grown, I've learned, I've built lifelong connections, and I see my future here. And I'm excited to continue this journey. I'm super proud to be a part of the BHIS family. Thank you.